We're trying to find the surface area of a hexagonal prism that's lying on top of a rectangular prism. Okay, so we have a hexagon. We have how many triangular faces? 6. And how many rectangular faces? Good. Let's label all the parts. This is the hard part, and then we can calculate the areas of each, okay? So what can I label in my trapezoid? What parts of the trapezoid do you know? We know the height is 6.9 centimeters. Do we know this? 16. And do we know this? Yeah, this is 8. Well, if you notice these little marks, that means anything with those marks are the same length. So what's the length of this? 8 centimeters. What's this length? Good. Do we know the width of the rectangular face? Look at the diagram. Are you given the width? Yeah, we're given the width. It's 3 centimeters. Okay, we're using these numbers. We were given them in the question. Do you know any other parts of the triangular face? Yes, we know the height of the triangle. What is it? Good. This is 10 centimeters. Okay, so we need to find the area of all 3 shapes. Let's start with the area of the trapezoid. What is the formula for area of a trapezoid? Area of a trapezoid is, A plus B times H divided by 2. This is for a trapezoid. Why are we using the area of a trapezoid? The hexagon is made up of 2 trapezoids, okay? So what was our A? A and B are the 2 base sides. So we had 16, 8, and the height was 6.9. So A plus B, 16 plus 8 times the height divided by 2. What do you get for the area of one trapezoid? How to get that? So the area of one trapezoid is 82.8 centimeters squared. Here's one trapezoid, but I need to know for the whole hexagon. So what I need to do to find the total area of this hexagon? Multiply by 2, because it's made up of 2 hexagons. What's the total area of the hexagon then? 82.8 times 2. Good. Centimeters squared. Okay, so this is the first part. We found the area of the hexagon. The shape is also made up of 6 triangles and 6 rectangles. This will be easy to calculate. Can we find the area of the triangle? Do you need to do any work here? Nope. So let's find the area of the triangle. What were the dimensions? What was the base and the height? Looking back at your diagram, what was the base of the triangle? 8. What was the height? Good. Area of a triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. What's the area of one of these triangles? Good. 40 centimeters squared. How many triangular faces were in the shape? Good. What's the total area of all 6 triangles? 240 centimeters squared. Okay, and then finally we had the area of the rectangle. How do you find the area of a rectangle? Length times width. What were the dimensions? What were the length and the width of the rectangle? Good. What's 8 times 3? 24. How many rectangles were there? Altogether, area of the rectangles, 144 centimeters squared. We now know the 6 rectangles, the 6 triangles, and the hexagon. Can you find the total surface area? Okay, how'd you get that? So what was the hexagon again? The 6 triangles were, and the 6 rectangles. Good. What was the total again? 549.6. Good. Oops, 0.6 centimeters squared. Therefore, the total surface area. Good.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.